Hello, welcome to Math Gist. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this lovely equation. H raised to power s plus 2 raised to power s is equal to 130. Solution. H raised to power s plus 2 raised to power s is equal to 130. Then h raised to power s plus 2 raised to power s minus 130 is equal to 0. H raised to power s can be written as 2 raised to power 3 to the power of s plus 2 raised to power s minus 130 is equal to 0. If you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. This is equal to a raised to power n m. Then 2 raised to power 3 to the power of s can be written as 2 raised to power s raised to power of 3 plus 2 raised to power s minus 130 is equal to 0. Let 2 raised to power s is equal to t. T raised to power 3 plus t minus 130 is equal to 0. But 130 is equal to 26 multiplied by 5. So we have this value 120. So how do we get this? We have the largest one here is 26. If you have t is equal to 26t minus 25t. So let's substitute here. T raised to power 3 minus 25t plus 26t minus 130 is equal to 0. Now here, t is common here. We can factor 1t out. T bracket t squared minus 25 plus 26 bracket t minus 5 is equal to 0. Then this is t bracket t squared minus 5 squared plus 26 bracket t minus 5 is equal to 0. If you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Here is t bracket t plus 5 multiplied by t minus 5 plus 26 bracket t minus 5 is equal to 0. T minus 5 is common. T minus 5 is common here. Let's bring it out. T minus 5 bracket t bracket t plus 5 plus 26 is equal to 0. Here is t minus 5 bracket t times t. T squared plus 5 times t. 5t plus 26 equal to 0. There are two cases here. T minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to 5. And for the second case, t squared plus 5t plus 26 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. As squared plus s plus c equal to 0. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. But in this case, t will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 26. T will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 26 over 2 multiplied by 1. Or discriminant D is equal to b squared minus 4ac equal to 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 26 equal to 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 1 times 26, that is 104, equal to 25 minus 104, this is minus 79, and this is less than 0. So no real solution here. The whole of this is rejected. The only real solution we have is t is equal to 5. But 2 raised to power s is equal to t. Then 2 raised to power s is equal to 5. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 2 raised to power s is equal to log 5. Then s log 2 is equal to log 5. Let's divide both sides by log 2 divided by log 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 5 over log 2. Therefore, S is equal to log 5 base 2. This is the final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.